In 1953, the double helical structure of DNA was discovered, which had a huge impact on the understanding of inheritance and genetic diseases. A major factor of this success was the fusion of knowledge from totally different backgrounds. Francis Crick and Maurice Wilkins came from physics, whereas James Watson was a zoologist and Rosalind Franklin a chemist. This great example can be an inspiration for scientists to learn from each other and to achieve more together. So how can we make a difference today? Around the world, many people suffer from long-term conditions whose symptoms can be treated but which are currently neither fully understood nor curable. One prominent example is diabetes mellitus, which affects around 347 million people worldwide. Instead of just treating the lack of insulin through injections, it would be desirable to learn about the intercellular processes that cause the disease in order to find a cure. At Heriot-Watt University, we use super-resolution microscopy to monitor processes in living cells on a molecular level. The idea is to use active illumination by tagging the molecules of interest with fluorescent markers called fluorophores. Recent techniques such as photoactivated localization microscopy and stochastic optical reconstruction microscopy are powerful tools, since objects beyond the diffraction limit of light, such as molecules, can be visualized while keeping the cell alive. Both methods work in similar ways by activating only a few fluorophores at the same time, which helps to determine the number and location of close objects. However, some of the acquired image sequences have a low signal-to-noise ratio, which can make them hard to interpret. Therefore, it would be desirable to provide computational tools that help with the data analysis. So how can interdisciplinarity make an important contribution here? A useful solution would involve three essential aspects. First of all, the biochemical process has to be translated into a mathematical problem that can be solved computationally. Secondly, the images have to be processed in a suitable manner to extract useful information. And finally, algorithms are required to interpret the data and to provide the desired statistics. My role as a mathematician at our institute is to provide the interface between mathematics, biochemistry, software engineering, and image processing. My PhD research combines communicating with biologists to understand the problem, deriving the theory to track objects inside of cells, analyzing the video sequences, and providing software that produces the desired outputs. Learning from examples like the discovery of the double helix, we can and should use interdisciplinarity to fight together against diseases like diabetes to make the world a better place.
Created using PowToon.